Hello, my name is Kenneth. I'm my friend Fabian Rosado. Today I will present to you the volcanoes. A volcano is open in earth as close to you with magma as and the gases can escape to surface. Types of volcano. There are different types of volcano, such as active, inactive, and extinct volcans. There are also different forms of volcans such as shield volcans, stratovolcans, and cinder volcans. Distribution of volcans. There are different types of volcans. Most of volcans, as all of it, is subduction zones, where one tectonic planet is sitting beneath another. Activity volcan. Volcan activity can at different levels of intensity, from explosive eruption to less violent ones. Eruption can effectuate propitious the emissions of toxic gas and the front of the clouds.
Importance of volcanoes are of the great importance in shaping the Earth's landscape and geology. They are also an important source of geothermal and mineral resources such as sulfur and gold. Just are associated with volcanoes. Despite their importance, volcanoes can also pose a threat to people and nearby communities. Erosion can cause damage to property, disrupt water and electricity supplies, and in extreme cases cause loss of human life. Prevention and preparedness. It is important for people living in volcanoes to be prepared and know how to act in case of an eruption in their having an emergency plan and be informed about alerts and warnings issued by authorities. Thank you.